All right, guys, another week, another unboxing, UBTW. This time we got a crazy set. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, first set in Canada, and of course, the big F Forgiato gang, baby. So let's open up the box. Let's see what they're cooking up for us, because you already know we're the king of those Rolls-Royces over here. You guys already see that Tiffany Blue, and it's peeking through. Guys, so this is the first set being sold in Canada. This is the brand new K10 Monoblock one-piece monoblock forge from the Big F gang, Forgiato, baby. The milling detail around that center cut flange, the milling detail around the outer edge. This wheel is definitely built to hit. It's gonna be catching all the sunlight rays with the brush finish from the left to the right to the center of the wheel. It's definitely gonna shine, but with the brush finish, it's not gonna be too much bling. This is how you keep it subtle. This is how you keep it sexy. Going back to that center cap detail, you guys see that Tiffany Blue, and of course, it's because the interior is Tiffany Blue. Full Tiffany Blue guts, Starlight headliner. Man, I cannot wait to install these on the vehicle. So for now, enjoy the wheel and stay tuned to the vlogs.